Here, stop.
Ow!
Welcome back, everybody, to another video. You're here with Tyler and
Evan
and
Bench. So
we got a couple behind the camera. So we got the whole squad here. We're just missing Preston. But today we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually going to be doing a little bit of a cook-off. So we've got this limited edition shape Supreme mac and cheese here. And what's going to happen is I'm going to make my own mac and cheese. Evan's going to make some mac and cheese. And Benj is going to taste test and see which one he likes more. The one, I guess, trick to it is we each have one secret ingredient that we haven't disclosed to each other or anybody else. So it'll be kind of a blind taste test, and then Benj will see who the best chef is here at CleanKIX. So let's get started.
I bet. Boil water.
So Evan's a heathen already. He's using just dirty sink water. I'm personally going to use purified water. Just a little something.
Mine's giving it a little spice.
That's what you want to call it.
Medium saucepan? Yep. Probably. When do I, tell me when.
He's actually not sure how to cook mac and cheese.
Tell me
so.
when. Thanks. Ooh.
That's going to take forever to boil. Why did you do so much water?
Dude. I think
Evan doesn't know how to cook noodles, so they're gonna be bad texture.
where do I go?
What did I do wrong?
I'll turn it. It's on. It's on low though. You want?
Hey, you didn't turn yours up that high.
Yes, I did.
Yours is lit.
It's at the same temperature.
Alright.
Evan, just make your own noodles, bro.
Zip it.
Be your own person, bro. Be your own person. All right. So I guess while we're here, we got some time to kill. We can talk about a couple things. Evan, what's been your favorite pair of shoes so far that's released this year?
I really like the Union 2s.
The Union 2s? You had to get yourself a pair.
What?
I said you had to get yourself a pair. You gonna get the other pair?
Mine's already going. No.
Just one?
Just one. I'm good with one.
Okay. Benj, favorite pair that's released this year?
Military blacks. I need a pair, but I don't know. I want to wait till like I can find a good used pair, because I do not want to just buy a new pair for like $350. If even, I wouldn't.
That kind of makes sense. That's fair. My favorite?
Oh my gosh, Evan.
I can start eating it. Wait, look at this. Watch this. Ready?
Oh my gosh.
What
Secret
the?
DC. Shout out Koosh.
The guy from
Evan,
Ratatouille?
stop.
Boiling.
Oh, that is.
No, it's not.
Okay, Tyler, what's your favorite pair?
It's just heating up. My favorite pair that's released this year? I don't know, man. There's been a lot of good stuff.
You okay, Evan?
No wink.
What is going on? That's your other left.
Dyslexia.
Oh man.
Mine's going a lot harder than yours is right now.
That's because you have water on the bottom of yours and the water
But
is
it's
heating up.
steaming on the top, and yours
So
is now.
How
I'm just.
He does
trendsetter. I do.
do we have salt?
We were just.
Put salt in
we were
that
talking
water,
about
bro.
that.
Actually, I can't. What's up?
you holding up?
Yep. Chilling.
Number one right there.
He's opening the box.
You open yours different.
Gonna get a good angle in there.
Oh, the Inside Out Jordan 1 mids.
Inside out Jordan 1 mids. Heavy sleepers.
Yeah.
Heavy sleepers.
Only mids
Ready?
I've.
I'm gonna pull out
And the lows. The lows are coming too.
Really?
Yeah, Lindsay bought a
pull
pair.
out
Really?
a
Wait, I want to see these.
W because I'm gonna win.
I was like, there isn't even a
It's
W.
it's an M.
That's a W. Look at that.
Oh,
Hey,
really?
your water's boiling. Mac and cheese is going in. Water's boiling.
Yeah.
I guess just the mac, not the cheese. Just the mac.
Just the Mac.
Just the mac.
Return to the Mac.
Turn to the mac.
All right, your turn. If you can keep up with Ty. Dude, no, stop. Oh my gosh. You're gonna, dude.
What did he do?
He tried to Salt Bay mac and cheese.
Oh my gosh. You
got
gotta
too much
calm
energy
down.
today. You gotta watch that. You better make
Then
sure it
you
doesn't
should not have
overflow.
gotten him a Diet Coke. That was bad. Tyler, what's your favorite shoe of all time?
Favorite shoe of all time?
Yeah. It's
Can't
the hardest
don't
question
put me
ever.
on the spot like
It's
this.
the hardest question
No,
ever.
that's like asking who's better, LeBron or Michael Jordan. Like,
No,
I
it's not
can't.
even. It's Michael Jordan. Shut up. LeBron's.
He doesn't play basketball.
I hate LeBron.
Evan hoops and fives. If that tells you anything, what Evan knows about basketball.
They're supportive. Doesn't matter though.
Yeah.
5 lows or 5 highs?
Either.
Highs.
That out of here.
That's sketchy.
I know.
That's worse than wearing like Kobe's outside.
Yeah, it's Evan. I don't know.
Do we have evaporated milk?
Are you watching a mac and cheese cooking video?
No.
You don't know what you're doing here.
I know what I'm doing. Look at this.
Milk.
Hey Evan, you need your box back to read the instructions?
Actually, yeah. Pass me.
Favorite shoe of all time?
Yeah, like
Silhouette.
you can give
Can it be
no,
silhouette?
just like
Has to be a specific shoe.
Was I supposed to put butter in the
Just
pan?
what's your favorite silhouette, and then what's your favorite of those? Because it might not be your favorite shoe, even though it's your favorite silhouette. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah. My favorite silhouette, I don't know, it's changed. It's a 3 or a 4, I think. A Jordan 3 or 4. It goes back and forth.
So what's your favorite Jordan 4?
Favorite Jordan 4? Probably Bread Force.
Really?
Probably Bread
Of
Force.
all time? Red Force.
Yeah, dude, it's just such a classic like colorway.
That's fair.
It looks so good. Like
I know. I kind of want a pair.
they're
Like,
just they're so
and
nice.
like, Kate, I want a pair because they clean up nice.
They
Like-
do. Yeah, even if they get dirty. You can
Like
clean
that dude's who came in with mud on them, they look
Why is my
perfect
gold
after.
so nuts?
them. Because your feet
Yeah.
is high still, you didn't turn your
Really?
feet down. This isn't a competition, I'm babysitting.
Well, I'm gonna look for some Bread Force now.
This should be like cooking lessons with Tyler.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
Today we teach Evan how to cook mac and cheese out of
Mine's
box.
gonna be better than Tyler's.
It's
The
not
Southern
gonna be
way.
better, I'm sorry.
Southern way?
Evan,
Yeah,
what's your
I'm-
favorite silhouette of a shoe?
Okay, I was thinking about this. It's either 3s or 1s. Because I sound basic saying I love 1s, but Jordan 1 low, the
Yeah.
OG cut.
The OG cut's where it's at.
The OG cut Jordan 1 lows.
He loves his
Okay.
women pair.
No. Your
This is
UNCs
women's
are
pair.
my favorite. Oh, one of my
The
favorite
UNC,
shoes ever.
the
Yes.
Eric Costin SB lows.
Yes. I found a pair for 400. I was like, yeah.
Those are, yeah, every time I wear
How much
those,
did you get yours for?
I'm like, these are nice.
How much did you get them for?
I don't even remember. It's kind of a lot.
Yeah.
It's like $5 bills.
Oh.
They were basically dead stock, so I was chilling on that.
Yeah.
Drop my spoon.
No, what?
Bro, why are
Is it
No.
is it mac and cheese?
I can't.
Yeah, it is. Here, stop.
Stop.
Well, that's not.
There's gotta be like
No, wait, Tyler. Don't touch my mac and cheese.
Well-
that's not allowed.
Dude, you are so dumb.
Give me freaking tongs. Hold on.
Just use this. Like this.
Evan,
Take
what
it.
even happened?
Take it.
he dropped the fork in his boiling water.
Why are we letting Evan do
That
this?
is a can opener.
Not anymore. It's my spoon holder. Oh gosh.
Dude.
Evan,
Dude.
just stop.
Dude.
Zip
Yo.
it. You're not cooking it. You don't know how intense it is over here.
He's gonna be eating that. He might be poisoned.
Wash it.
Evan, do you want me to
Evan,
die?
wash the spoon.
It's boiling.
Wash the spoon.
It's
Evan,
boiling
hit the
water.
ground.
Wash it. Hit the.
Hit the floor. Wash
is a
that.
disaster.
We're about to do another office cut, I swear.
This is a disaster. I should have never agreed to this. I knew this is how it was gonna go in my head. This is exactly like what I thought. Maybe not like a can opener, using a can opener to pinch a spoon to stir your mac and cheese, but I knew it was gonna be a disaster.
I thought it might be a little bit more professional, but it's Evan.
Now
I love you, Evan.
No, you don't. Shut up.
All right,
Shut up.
we gotta taste the mac. We gotta see if it's al dente. No, needs a couple more minutes.
Okay.
A couple more minutes.
Good though.
Yeah, that,
No, we didn't wash it.
No, I watched it
he's holding it with a can opener.
because it's hot.
It's not hot.
Wait, Evan, you never finished what you were saying because you.
Oh yeah, because I feel like I sound basic saying Jordan 1s are my favorite.
But
They
OG
kinda
cut
are.
Jordan 1s?
Yeah.
But what?
Big fan of the UNC. But Jordan 3s,
What's your favorite Jordan 3?
white cements are the best.
Very fair.
Corbin Blue.
Did you say Corbin Blue? Core memories of High School Musical unlocking. Jump in. That shows the goat.
How do I look?
Okay, Benj, if you had to work for one clothing company, like one like hype company, like Supreme, Kith, who would it be?
I don't know. I don't really know why. Oh, probably Undefeated. I don't know. Seems like a pretty cool place.
It's in
It'd be-
LA.
It'd be chill.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, I just think it, I don't know. I would not want to, like, Supreme, New York, that's not my vibe. Even LA, I don't even know if I would want to live in LA. Like, I like where I live. It's nice and chill.
Okay, my turn. Union. He's gonna burn his mouth.
Evan, why would you want to work at Union?
I gotta go my like
ASMR?
30 more seconds.
ASMR.
Okay, that's disgusting. That cannot be put
All
in
right.
the video.
My pasta's done. I'm gonna strain it now in this bowl, real quick.
You better hurry because I'm coming next.
It's kind of hot. It is what it is.
You getting hungry over there, Benj?
Yeah, I was born hungry.
Are you lactose intolerant?
Nope.
Okay, good.
That would be pretty smart of us.
All right. So now you gotta get some butter in there. You're gonna melt the butter down first before you put the noodles back in the pan.
You know what step you need to put your secret ingredient in?
Do I know what step?
Yeah.
Of course I do. It's
it-
my secret ingredient.
Okay. It's
Do
the
we have
final
the same
step.
secret ingredient?
No, we don't. But
what
Ben
if
can't
we did?
afford what my secret ingredient is. Ben is in for it.
Yeah, I'm getting the good stuff today.
One of the, you know, the
All right.
train guy
Got
on
my
TikTok?
butter in there.
Butter
Yes,
in
the-
pan.
It's gonna get
We need
melty.
one of those.
After it gets melty, we're gonna throw the mac and cheese back in there, coat it with the butter, then the milk, and then everything else.
I saw.
What
really
is
hot.
going on?
I dropped it.
Oh my. The spoon? Ow! Oh my gosh.
Well, I need to test my mac and cheese.
Evan, I wonder what you're like at home. Like, are you the same?
No.
Are you allowed to go in your kitchen?
No, his dad's a way good cook.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he doesn't let me do it.
Yeah, like way good.
Yo, wait, he's not done with his trainer yet.
What are you doing, dude?
No spare noodles for Evan.
Yeah, I know he's gonna be greedy and try and take mine.
I'm like
'cause
one of
they're
those
cooked
judges on
perfection.
like Chopped.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be super critical.
All right, Kunkel Ev.
Mac and cheese is great. It's pretty good. Like homemade
it's
mac and
going
cheese
back
is
in the
better
pan.
than like Kraft mac and cheese,
I don't
of
know why
course.
you're
but, like,
scraping it.
it's pretty good.
You're right. Yeah,
Alright.
I'm adding my secret ingredient. Just shut up.
Alright.
Alright, so you see butter's all melted. See how it's kind of covered all the noodles?
No.
So this is where people go wrong. They'll add the milk first. You gotta add the cheese.
I'm
Add
not
the
putting it
cheese
in
that
yet.
Sticks to the noodles. When it gets in there, locks the flavor in.
I'm not putting it in yet.
Add this cheese, pack it in there.
What am I doing?
Yeah, it's already a hot pan.
Okay, I'm adding.
Evan, you can't put that on a countertop. There's something on
I do need some milk.
He needs some milk.
But I don't think you need it.
Don't need it. But look, you can see what the mac and cheese looks like already. See how the cheese stuck to it. And this is just gonna get a little bit creamy. A little bit of milk in there.
There's a generous amount of butter in there.
We're gonna mix this up now.
Where's my spoon?
Yeah, I hate this noise myself, so I'm really trying my best not to make it. Yeah.
Hey.
Evan, stop.
You can go and check in on Evan. See what Evan's up to. Oh, you see that?
Okay, ready?
Okay, what are your steps?
Off the back of the spoon.
Okay, so you copy try.
No, I didn't. I just followed the steps on the back of the box. Tell me when.
Tell me when.
Oh, mama. Oh, freak that. Oh, wait, no, that's good. That's good.
Tyler, what's your favorite dunk of all time?
Favorite
All right, Tyler,
dunk?
don't look at me,
Yeah.
all right?
I can't answer that question,
He's
dude. I don't
putting a
know.
secret ingredient in. Do not.
Evan, don't say what it is out
I
loud.
just want one of these. Hey, hey, careful.
All right. I'll add mine later. Jeez, it's fine.
Wait, show camera real quick. Okay, that's the secret ingredient.
Little chef secret. You know some good stuff like cheese. We got some quality Gruyere cheese. Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna add this in there. We'll see what it see. Hopefully
this.
it goes well.
All right. Hey.
Hey, don't look at mine. Shut up.
Literally, I'm not. I couldn't care less what you put in there.
Good.
All right, we got the two final products. We're gonna present them to Ben. She doesn't know whose is whose, and then he's gonna taste them, and we're gonna find out who the winner is.
Thoughts?
Very cheesy.
How are the noodles?
Alright. Like
Like too soft, too hard?
a little too hard.
Okay.
There's a hard piece right there. I'd give it probably 7 out of 10. It's like, it's good. I'd eat a whole bowl, but
How satisfying is
this
the
one
bowl?
doesn't have any.
That's pretty cheesy.
10 out of 10 string pull, I won't lie.
I was expecting more,
Alright,
if I'm
this
not
one.
gonna lie.
Might be glue. How well cooked are the noodles?
Pretty good. Not tasting anything underdone.
How do you feel about the cheese?
Good texture.
Great texture. It tastes better than the first one too. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. I will not lie.
Is it creamier?
I don't know. What is this? Bro, what is that?
Just a deformed noodle.
You know, that's okay. I
Probably from that
guess.
spoon.
It's cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That one was good too, though. Just
Okay, well that's a
vibing.
different situation. Overall, which one's better?
I'd say this one's better overall.
Well, you heard. It doesn't count.
Huh?
I need.
What? Is this
Try
one
them.
yours?
Try them both. You try them both.
Bro, why are you taking my fork? Don't put it back in.
No. Ben, I'm gonna give you. Close your eyes. I'll give you one
me new fork.
spoonful.
It is pretty good.
I feel like.
Wait. Okay, so what's
Those
your
don't
secret?
like have as much taste as
Yeah,
mine.
that's what I'm saying. This
Yeah,
one has
mine's
like
more
a,
flavorful.
Because Evan didn't
Yeah.
put
That one
butter
tastes more
in.
Yeah.
unauthentic.
You didn't do butter. That's why. And then you just added cheese to try and make up for it.
No, but
He
I
also
added more.
did
Look at this.
extra milk.
Look at this. This
And
looks
extra
like it
milk.
should be in a commercial, bro.
Well, yeah. You
That-
you made yours creamier. It's not better though.
I think. Okay, wait, Evan. So your secret ingredient was just extra cheese.
Yeah, but thick
Shredded cheese?
chunky cheese.
Okay. Tyler,
That
what's
is
yours?
good.
Gruyere cheese.
There you go. That's the extra flavor.
Everybody saw it. Everybody saw it in the video. When you make the noodles, after the noodles are done cooking, you put the butter in first. You melt the butter.
Yep.
And then you put the noodles back in, cover them in butter, and then you do the cheese packet before the milk. Cheese packet
Well, yeah, because
coats the noodles with the cheese, and you do a little bit of milk.